Hello and welcome to HD Calcs. I'm Rick, and in this video we're going to have a look at how we can use exponents on the Casio FC-200V Financial Consultant Calculator. To do this, we'll use the Shift key that looks like this, located here, the 6 key with the Shift function of up arrow or caret that looks like this, located here, the 4 key with the Shift function of x squared that looks like this, located here, the catalog key that looks like this, located here, the negative key that looks like this, located here, and the bracket keys that look like this, located here. When doing exponents on this calculator, we have two options. For example, when squaring a number, like say 5 squared, our first option is putting 5 on the screen and then pressing Shift 4 with the shift function of x squared. There we see 5 squared on our screen. And now if we hit exe, we get 5 squared equals 25. Our other option is, again, place 5 on our screen and then press the catalog key. That brings up a list of functions we can choose from. So if we scroll down until we see 2 or squared here, we can select that, see that we have 5 squared, hit exe, and there we go. 5 squared equals 25. For cubing a number, like say 5 cubed, again we have two options. First, we can put 5 on our screen and then press Shift 6 with the shift function of up arrow or caret. There we go. That indicates an exponent. And then we put 3 in there and close our bracket. There we go. Hit exe. And there we go. 5 cubed is 125. Alternatively, we can put 5 on our screen, go to Catalog, and then scroll down till we see the 3 or cubed, and select that, and hit exe, and get the same result. 5 cubed is 125. What about a negative exponent? Like, let's say 5 to the power of negative 2. Well, our first option is, again, putting 5 on the screen, pressing Shift 6 with the shift function of up arrow or caret, and then we have to put the negative in. So we want to use the negative key here, not the subtraction key, the negative one. And then we have 2, close our bracket, and hit exe. That gives us a result of 5 to the power of negative 2 is equal to 0.04. For our other option, again, we put 5 on our screen and then press Catalog and scroll all the way down until we see the up arrow or caret with a bracket. Select that. There we go. And now we can put our negative 2, close our bracket, and hit exe. And again, we get 5 to the power of negative 2 is equal to 0.04. Thanks for watching, everybody. I really hope this has been helpful. If it has, you can help me out by hitting that like button and subscribe for more calculator tips in the future. And, as always, good luck on those tests out there, everybody. You've got this.